Europe all-season versus North America all-weather. They both have the three-peak mountain snowflake certification. But are they really the same? What if I told you that despite sharing the same winter rating, Europe and North America have completely different standards for these tires? Let's break it down. In Europe, most all-season tires are winter rated to qualify as a true all-season option. In North America, tires that meet the same standard are called all-weather. But what does this mean in real-world performance? Let's put the Michelin CrossClimate 2, specifically the European all-season version, against the Goodyear Assurance WeatherReady, which is the North American all-weather version. And let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the European version Michelin CrossClimate 2 set as the reference point at 100%. Wet performance is where we start to see big differences. The CrossClimate 2 stops 2.36 meters, shorter than the WeatherReady in wet braking, making it a safer choice in emergency stops. However, when it comes to wet handling, the WeatherReady completes a lap 0.31 seconds faster, carrying slightly more speed through corners. Despite this, driver feedback rates the CrossClimate 2 higher in handling confidence, scoring 8 out of 10, while the WeatherReady falls behind with 6 out of 10 rating, including a noticeable difference in driver trust and control. Clearly, the European all-season version has a stronger wet focus. On snow, the difference is smaller. The CrossClimate 2 stops 0.39 meters shorter, but the real gap is in acceleration. It reaches 40 km per hour in 5.56 seconds, while the WeatherReady takes 1.66 seconds longer, showing a clear advantage in traction. However, in overall snow handling, both perform closely, with the CrossClimate 2 scoring 10 out of 10 in subjective feedback, compared to WeatherReady's 9 out of 10. Apart from snow acceleration, they are both quite comparable in snow. Now let's talk about one of the biggest differences: mileage. The WeatherReady comes with a 96,000 km or 60,000 mile warranty, while the CrossClimate 2 maxes out at 60,000 km, a figure derived from the best mileage test results of the Autobuild All-Season 2024 test, rather than an official manufacturer warranty, meaning North American tire is expected to last 60% longer. But here's the catch. Longer mileage often means harder compounds, which can reduce wet grip and increase rolling resistance. This is the trade-off North American all-weather tires must make to meet market demands. In dry braking, the CrossClimate 2 stops 5.06 meters shorter, showing a significant grip advantage. It also holds slightly higher max speed through corners, though not by much. Subjectively, drivers rate it higher for responsiveness and control, scoring 9 out of 10, while the WeatherReady receives a 7 out of 10, highlighting a noticeable difference in steering feel and driver confidence. While some of this is due to all-season versus all-weather differences, a lot comes down to CrossClimate 2 simply being a great dry performer. Noise levels are close, but the CrossClimate 2 is 1 decibel quieter, making it slightly more refined inside the cabin. In rolling resistance, it rose 21 meters further from a 40 km per hour to zero stop, meaning better fuel efficiency compared to WeatherReady, which prioritize durability over efficiency. On price, the North America WeatherReady is 15% more expensive. But since they belong to different markets, this doesn't truly reflect value as taxes, distribution, and exchange rates all come into play. At the end of the day, the Michelin CrossClimate 2, which is the Europe all-season version, and the Goodyear Assurance WeatherReady, the North America all-weather version, serve different priorities. The CrossClimate 2 is built for wet grip and balanced performance, while the WeatherReady prioritizes longevity, lasting 60% longer at the cost of wet grip and efficiency. These differences aren't accidental, they reflect what each market values most. So, are you getting the best tire for your conditions? Which version would you prefer in your market? Let us know in the comments.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.